Exercise 2.1 Part 2. Question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now question number 5. Find the perimeters of number 1 triangle ABE, number 2 the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Means here we have to find the perimeter of the triangle, then rectangle, then compare. So solution. Now perimeter means sum of all side of the triangle. So perimeter of triangle ABE equals to AB plus BE plus AE, otherwise EA you can write. Now substitute all the values because sides are given. So it is 5 by 2 centimeter plus 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter plus 3 by 5 centimeter. Now solve it, you will get 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Now take LCM. The LCM will be 20, then divide 20 by 2, then by 4, by 5, and quotient will be multiplied with numerators. So you will get 50 plus 55 plus 72 upon 20. Here add all, it will come 177 by 20. Now divide 177 by 20, it will come 817 upon 20 centimeter. So it is the answer for first part. Now come on for second part. See the rectangle BCDE. So we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 in the bracket L plus B. Now substitute what is L? L is 2 and 3 by 4 plus B is 7 by 6. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. LCM will be 12. So solve it and you will get 2 into 47 by 12. 2 6 are 12. Now 7 5 by 6 centimeter. So in the triangle you can see there you got 8 as a whole and fraction, but in rectangle you are getting just only 7 as a whole. So perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. I hope you got the clue. Once again I am telling, in triangle you are getting 8 as a whole, but here you are getting only 7. Now come on for question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Means you have to cut the picture and fix in the given frame. So what will you do? I will try to explain with the diagram. See here. First we will write the picture should be trimmed by. See, it is given the length of the picture. Okay. The black color. That's why I have written this picture. But the frame is only in red color. How much it is? It is 7 3 by 10. The additional you can see wick. The picture is that much part, that is additional part. So how we can, just you have to subtract 7 3 by 10 from 7 3 by 5. Now it is a mixed fraction, but here I am going to explain one more method. We can write 7 plus 3 by 5 as 7 3 by 5 minus 7. So when you will open the bracket, both will be minus. So 7 plus and 7 minus cancelled. Now 3 by 5 minus 3 by 10. It will be 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay. How? See, denominator should be equal. So 3 into 2 by 5 into 2 equals to 6 by 10. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? There is one apple. Whole means 1. So imagine one apple. Okay, I am making the diagram. The apple and 3/5 taken by Ritu. So apple is 1. Okay, whole means 1. That's why I am showing here. So it is taken by Ritu. Now the remaining part, don't see that 3 by 5 is looking smaller to the other. Okay, it is just a rough idea, rough diagram. So Somu has taken the remaining whole parts, the remaining fractional parts, not whole. So first see the question. Here you have to find how much part of the apple did Somu eat. So part of apple ate by Somu equals to 1 minus, because we have to subtract Ritu's portion, Ritu's part. So 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 means you can write 5 upon 5 because we want denominator as a. So 5 upon 5 minus 3 by 5. It will come 2 by 5 because if denominators are equal you can subtract directly. So one answer is here. It means Somu has 2 by 5 part. Okay. Who had the larger part? Now it means we have to compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We know if denominators are equal, then greater is greater, then the fraction will be greater. So Ritu had larger share. Now in the last, by how much? How much means just we will subtract Somu's portion from Ritu. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 5. It means 1 by 5 part. It is our answer. So students, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Edutera. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? It means two persons are doing same thing. One is taken 7 by 12 and other is taken 3 by 4 for the same work. Okay. It means just we have to compare the fraction. Here I am going to tell you one simplest way how to compare, how to find the greatest. See 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. Just put a cross. So 7 into 4 and this side 12 into 3. Which one is greater? Which product? 7 4s are 28 and 12 3s are 36. It means 36 is greater than 28. 36 is for 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12. So 3 by 4 for what? Vaibhav. It means Vaibhav worked larger. By what fraction? So 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. Then you will get the additional time. So 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. You can make denominator as a equal by multiplying 3 in numerator and denominator. Otherwise, by taking LCM you can solve. It will be 9 minus 7 upon 12. It is equal to 2 by 12. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So here you are getting your answer 1 by 6 hours additional.